Most people get this wrong. Watch. Some people just subtract across 3 minus 1 on top, 4 minus 3 on the bottom. That gives 2 over 1. That is wrong. Here's why. Look at these two pizzas. The left one is cut into 4 slices. We have 3 of them. The right one is cut into 3 slices. We have 1 of them. These slices are not the same size. You cannot subtract them directly. It's like subtracting apples from oranges. We need to make the slices the same size first. We need a number that both 4 and 3 divide into evenly. List the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. List the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. The first number they share is 12. That's our common denominator. To turn 3 over 4 into 12s, ask what times 4 gives 12? 3. So multiply top and bottom by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 quarters equal 9 twelfths. Now 1 over 3. What times 3 gives 12? 4. Multiply top and bottom by 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. 1/3 equals 4 twelfths. Now look, both pizzas are cut into 12 equal slices. Every slice is the same size. Now we can subtract 9 twelfths minus 4 twelfths. The denominator stays 12, we don't touch it. We only subtract the top numbers. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So we get 5 over 12. 3 quarters minus 1/3 equals 5 twelfths. And 5 twelfths cannot be simplified further because 5 and 12 share no common factors. Every fraction subtraction problem follow these 3 steps. Find the common denominator, convert both fractions, subtract the top, the bottom never changes. That's it. Memorize these 3 steps and you will never get this wrong again. Your turn. 5/6 minus 1 quarter. Use the 3 steps. Put your answer in the comments. Follow for the next one.